Hi, my name is Hannah Keenan, and I had problem number 45. My problem was f of x equals 3x over 5x squared minus 2x. My problem said to graph the function, so first I need to clear the extra x from the equation. Once I clear the extra x, the equation will be 3 over 5x minus 2. By clearing the x from the equation, I am left with a whole. X cannot equal 0 because in the original equation that would leave 0 in the denominator, which would make the equation undefined. So I would have a whole at 0 equals, and we'll find out the number later, but it's negative 1.5. Now we need actual points to plot on our graph. For this, we'll use our new equation, and I wrote down the whole just so we don't forget it, and we'll create an XY table to help us find the X coordinates and the Y coordinates. I will be using a generic set of numbers to fill in my graph, so it's just looks full and I have a good range of numbers. And for the sake of saving time, I already calculated the numbers ahead of time, but normally you would put in these numbers right here into this X coordinate, and then you would get this. Before we move into graphing, an asymptote is a line that the curve moves along infinitely but never hits. We find the asymptote by seeing when the denominator will equal 0. And in this equation, the asymptote is at x equals 2 over 5. Because if you're going from the denominator, it's going to be 5x minus 2, and you're equals 0. And you're going to try to get the x alone, so that'll be x equals 2 over 5. Time to plot the points. I've written down the whole and the asymptote, and I've also transferred all of the points from the last graph, the last page. First, we will place the asymptote, which will be at 2 over 5, and that will be here. And we also have another asymptote at 0. Now to plot the points. First point is at negative 3, negative 0.176. Next one is at negative 2, negative 0.25. The third one is at negative 1, negative 0.426. And the third one, which is our whole, is at 0, negative 1.5. Next, we draw our line, remembering to not cross either this asymptote or this asymptote. And don't forget to erase inside of the circle because there's nothing in the circle. Now it's time to plot the rest of our points. The first one will be at 1, 1. The second at 2.375. And the third at 3 and 0.231. And there's our other line that does not pass either of the asymptotes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.